Hi buddies, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop videos, okay, using aTube catcher. If you crop videos with a software renderer, for example, it's a long time you have to wait. With aTube catcher, this process is super fast, okay? I'm gonna show you here how fast it is. Okay, let's open YouTube catcher. Just a little mind that you you need this software installed in your computer. Okay, if you want to download it, you can go to this page. This page will be in the video description. Just click on download now and the download will begin. Okay, I'm not to download because I have this software in my computer. Let's open it. aTube catcher. Let's get some videos. For example, let's get a very large for me to show you. Type a date length. Okay, here we have a 1 giga video. Let's use this video to make the process here. Okay, when you open the software, go to tools. After, choose the option video and audio crop tool. Let's open it. Click here to open the file. Okay, let's open the file. Let's organize by length. Okay, 1 giga. Open. Assuming that I want the minutes 10 to 11, for example. Okay, start at 10 here. Start at 10. Now, as you can see, the video is 47 minutes. Okay, 10 to 11, for example. 10 to 11. See how the process is so fast. Click on start. Okay, that's it. Click OK, and now let's see the new file. Okay, here we have the original file. Let's organize by date here to find more easily. And here, with a 1 in the end of the title, the cropped file. Okay, 23 megabytes. Let's execute. That's it, simple like that. Okay, 1 minute of video. If you liked this video, thumbs it up please, and till the next one.